picking me up.
Okay, nice and easy.
All right, up. I'm videoing it. Hi, CB, I'm leaving you.
Lean back,
Going up in the fork truck. Going up in the, there's some like chain. More chain. I'm going like looking at our fire pit down there. Looking down at the Alice, the house. The driveway. Okay, you can let me down if you want. I don't care. I've had beer, I don't care. And more chain. I'm looking down at the fire pit. There's the house. I don't know, is CB down? I don't see CB. There's some people. Oh, there's CB. There's the seabird. He's never gone up with me. There's the house, the chimney. I like this. It's kind of cool to go up this high and not worry. There's something to say about alcohol and inhibitions, because I'm afraid of heights, but I've had beer, so it don't matter. And I